Every day, we go about our routines without thinking much about the fascinating processes happening all around us. But when you take a closer look, everyday life is full of surprising facts that we rarely notice. From how our bodies function to the little quirks of the world we live in, there are countless things that make the ordinary extraordinary. In this video, we're going to uncover some surprising facts about everyday life that are sure to make you look at the world in a whole new way. 1. Your brain can store an estimated 2.5 petabytes of information. The human brain is incredibly powerful. It's estimated that your brain has the capacity to store around 2.5 petabytes of information, that's about 3 million hours of TV shows. If the brain were a computer, it would be able to store the equivalent of 1 billion gigabytes. 2. Your taste buds have a lifespan of about 10 to 14 days. Taste buds are constantly renewing themselves. Every 10 to 14 days, your taste buds die off and regenerate, which means your sense of taste is always evolving. This is why food can taste different over time as your taste buds change. 3. There's enough water on Earth to fill 1.332 billion cubic kilometers. It might seem like water is scarce, but Earth is actually covered in water, about 71% of the planet's surface. In total, there are 1.332 billion cubic kilometers of water on Earth, which is enough to fill over 500 million Olympic-sized swimming pools. 4. Your skin can shed up to 9 pounds of skin cells each year. Your skin is constantly renewing itself. Every year, you shed approximately 9 pounds of dead skin cells. Over your lifetime, this adds up to over 100 pounds of skin cells. 5. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. Due to thermal expansion, the Eiffel Tower can actually grow by up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters, during the hot summer months. The iron structure expands when it gets warmer, making it slightly taller. 6. Humans are the only animals that can cry emotional tears. While many animals can produce tears, humans are the only species that sheds emotional tears. Whether it's due to sadness, joy, or frustration, crying is a uniquely human way of expressing emotion. 7. The average person walks about 100,000 miles in their lifetime. Over the course of a lifetime, the average person will walk about 100,000 miles, about 4 times the circumference of the Earth. That's a lot of steps taken in a lifetime. 8. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas contain potassium, and potassium contains a small amount of radioactive isotopes. While they're harmless to eat, bananas are naturally radioactive, which makes them a fun, and totally safe, example of how everyday foods can have hidden quirks. 9. Your body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. The average human body contains about 15 to 30% fat, and if you could extract that fat, it would be enough to make around 7 bars of soap. Not something we think about every day, but still a surprising fact. 10. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. A day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So, a single day on Venus lasts longer than a full year. Everyday life is full of wonders and curiosities that we often take for granted. From the hidden complexity of our bodies to the strange truths about the world around us, there's so much more to discover about the ordinary things we experience every day. If you were surprised by these facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening insights. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the amazing world of everyday life.